Hello everybody, in today's episode I will show you how to fix your Volkswagen Passat B6 taillights which are not working. Today I have this car and the parking light is not working for more than 3 or 4 seconds. The signals are working very good, there are no problems with the signals, but we have a problem with the parking light. So as you guys can see, I turned the parking light on, but it will automatically stop working. To fix this problem, what you have to do is to remove the lights buttons, which is located next to the steering wheel, onto the dash, and clean the connections very good. The connections are not perfectly, and this is why the parking light is not working. So guys, this is the lights buttons. I already disassembled everything because I wanted to clean inside it. If you clean only the outside, only the pins, the light will probably still not working. What we have to do is to remove every single piece from the buttons and clean it very good. Just take a towel like I'm doing here and clean the connections. And the problem is right here. As you guys can see, there is a lot of, I'm not sure what this is, but this is the problem. This is what is causing the lights to not working. What we have to do is to take the towel and clean it very good. When you're cleaning the connections, make sure you don't break them. Be gentle and don't push hard on the little pins. Okay guys, now with the connection cleaned very good, we can mount it back onto the car. To assemble everything, just follow what I'm doing here. Take every piece and put it back onto its place. You have to make sure that everything goes back onto its place. You don't have to push hard onto the little plastic pieces because it can break very easily. Just push the top cover back onto the clips, and we are ready to mount it back onto the car. And I forgot to show you earlier, to remove this from the car you have to push the button inside, and after that turn it to the right. You have to push it and turn it, and as you can see the little pins are going inside in order to make you release it and pull it out from the dash. Now all we have to do is to put it back onto the car, just plug in the connections, and after that put the ignition and check if it's working. If it's still not working, first what we have to do is to erase the problem from the dash. It's to erase the check engine light or the whatever light you have onto your car and check back if it's working. In my case, I didn't have to erase the problem, the lights just turned on and stay on, so the problem is fixed, but maybe in your case you will have to erase the problem from the dash first. So as you guys can see, I turned the tail lights on and they are staying on, they are working perfectly fine now. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video and found it informative, please leave a like in the comments down below. See you next time.